Concern over global warming is overblown and misdirected. More than 17,000 scientists have signed a petition circulated by the Oregon Institute of Science and Medicine saying, in part, there is no convincing scientific evidence for human-induced global warming. Satellites, our most reliable sources of temperature data, show no global warming trend. Readings of temperatures in the lower troposphere show no warming since readings began 23 years ago. Global climate computer models are too crude to predict future climate changes. All predictions of global warming are based on computer models, not historical data, with modelers resorting to flux adjustments that can be 25 times larger than the effect they represent. A modest amount of global warming, should it occur, would be beneficial to the natural world and to human civilization. Temperatures during the medieval warm period, roughly 800 to 1200 AD, which allowed the Vikings to settle on the presently inhospitable Greenland, were higher than even the worst-case scenario reported by the IPCC. Efforts to quickly reduce human greenhouse gas emissions would be costly and would not stop Earth's climate from changing. Full implementation of the Kyoto Protocol by all participating nations would reduce global temperature in the year 2100 by a mere 0.14 degrees Celsius. The best strategy to pursue is no regrets. Continue with atmospheric research now and see if more compelling evidence emerges. This strategy is roughly what the Bush administration has been doing. The US spends more on global warming research each year than all the other countries of the world combined, and it is American businesses who are leading the way in demonstrating new technologies for reducing and sequestering greenhouse gas.
Historically, Earth's climate has regularly shifted back and forth between temperatures like those we see today, where it could be cold enough that large-scale sheets of ice covered much of North America and Europe. The difference between average global temperatures, however, today and during those ice ages, is only in the order of about 5 degrees Celsius, 9 degrees Fahrenheit. These swings happen slowly, over hundreds or thousands of years. For many, it's becoming clear that as we power our modern lives with the consumption of fossil fuels, the byproducts of heat-trapping greenhouse gases have resulted in most of the past century's warming in the global climate. It is estimated that the levels of these gases are in fact rising higher now than at any time during the last 650,000 years. The consequence of this ongoing activity is that we may now face a future where glaciers will melt, sea levels rise, and cloud forests dry out. The rapid rise in greenhouse gases is a problem because it is changing the climate faster than some living things can adapt. Also, a new and more unpredictable climate poses unique challenges to all forms of life.